Hey guys, it's Jessica. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I pack for a vacation. So I am going away to the French Caribbean, and so I'm packing a lot of, stuff that's good for hot weather and stuff like that. So right now I kind of have a lot of organized chaos. It's really a mess, but this is kind of how I pack. Like I pack by putting out everything I want to wear and desire to bring, and then kind of eliminating it, because after a while I'm like, this is a lot, and my trouble is always overpacking. I'm gonna try really hard to be efficient with what I'm bringing. So most of the time when I travel, I try to only bring one bag, a carry-on, and then like they allow you to bring an extra personal bag, and I just have a really big personal bag. So that's like my purse. I try not to check bags. I prefer to just have a carry-on, make it nice and easy. It feels great to pack light. I'm going away for 4 nights and 5 days, so keep that in mind when I'm packing. I'm telling you, I already know I'm going to pack more than I need, but I'm still going to try and make it as efficient as possible. So let's get right to it. This is everything I kind of want to go through to bring, and this is my bag that I'm bringing from Calpac. And then I also have these great compartments that I'll show you from Calpac. So these really help me stay organized and fit a lot more in my bag. So I'll show you how to use those. I also have this duffel bag that I use. I usually put like maybe shoes in here, my laptop, makeup, toiletries, stuff like that. First I'm going to start with bathing suits, workout gear, and pajamas. I'm bringing a lot of bathing suits. That's always one of my problems, but they're small, so I feel like it's okay. How many is that? 5? That's not bad. Like I almost feel like I could have more, but maybe I shouldn't. I won't. I also like to bring some cover-ups. This is from Forever 21, and then I have this cute little cover-up. It's like a skirt cover-up. And then in terms of workout gear, I'm going to bring there is a strategy to this, so I like to roll my clothes actually. These pants I'm just going to roll up and place into this bag. So now I'll take the top and do the same. Here are my 2 sets of pajamas. And look, it's fitting so nicely. I still have tons of room left, so now I can fit my bathing suits. Now you just close that up, and now it's all organized into one pack. So now let's go into outfits. I always bring at least 2 pairs of shorts because you can pair that with everything. So I have a pair here, and these of course white shorts, duh, and black shorts. Now I have a whole bunch of like cute little summery outfits. They have this cute little bandeau thing from the D Piper twins. They're amazing. Follow them on Instagram. They are also making me a few custom pieces, but they're not ready yet, so I'm going to show you guys that. Those are probably on Instagram. Those are also being packed. This I love. I just got this from lolashutique.com. It's a 2-piece, so I love co-words. Something else I also like to bring is scarves. They're really, really useful. So I have like this scarf right here. This scarf that I got from a Tracy Ellis Ross event, because this is from her new line with JCPenney, which is amazing. I could so picture me like putting my hair up and like wrapping it around and having like a really cute island feel with it. So, and I can make this into a top too. So that's why I really got this. Like this is great to wrap around. You can make it into a top. And same with that, or it could be a headscarf or whatever. So it's really fun to accessorize with those. Shoes can take up a lot of space, so I try to be pretty selective with them and have like some type of strategy. And it really is the same almost every time. So I usually bring 1 pair of sneakers. I'm going to bring these. I always bring 2 pairs of heels and 2 pairs of flats. So I bring 1 pair of nude and 1 pair of black heels. I'm bringing 1 pair of bright colored heels just because I love these, and they really do go with a lot, and they're so comfortable. And with flats, I do the same thing. 1 black pair right here, and then 1 nude pair. And this pair is a little old. It looks like I literally walked through the desert with Jesus at some point. These flats right here from lolashutique.com, like these are just like too fun. I'm going to take all the clothes and fit it into one of these big compartments. to close it, I literally just zip it up, and it expands so much that it really isn't a problem. And then I'm gonna put these shorts here. That's what I do sometimes. I put them like flat here. Save as much room as possible. Put these shoes here. It's all about strategy. And figure out what goes best. This is like all my makeup. Just a lot, but you know. And then I have toiletries as well. So now I mostly have everything packed and pretty organized. I'm going to close this. I can put some shoes here. So underwear, socks, and bras go here. And then my scarves, they're so small and easy to fold. I'm just gonna squeeze them in wherever they could fit. And my selfie stick. And then I'll close it. Okay, so it all fits. This bag is for kind of miscellaneous stuff, for everything that didn't fit into the other bag, and also things I want access to on the plane. So like my laptop, go in here. These shoes didn't fit, these didn't fit. I like to bring like a little book bag that I can wear while I'm there. A little fanny pack. So this fits a lot in here. I want more to squeeze it all in, but good to go. That's how I pack for a trip. Hopefully you found it helpful. I know I still overpack, but I did show you that even if you pack a lot of things, you can find a way to make it all fit. So that's the most important part. And of course, like I like to have a lot of options and stuff, so it's just better for me to have a little bit more. And I still feel like I didn't overpack that much. Like I didn't even check a bag, so that's not bad. So anyway, let me know what you think. If you want any more videos like this, let me know. And also be sure to comment and subscribe and like. And I'll see you in my next video.